Do you need more dishcloths? Because it seems yours keep disappearing, or you are using them to wipe up spills and you do not remember to get any from the store. I have a super solution. You bought new bath towels, didn't you? With the tag still on them? Well, you can just make some yourself. The desired size I want is 7 by 7. I'm going to leave maybe 1/8 of an inch on each side for the serger. I can yield 2 this cloths out of this piece of material. You can make your dishcloths whatever size you desire. I don't want mine too big. That's just right to fit my hand. You can straighten up the edges with the serger. Now that I have 2 dishcloths, I'm going to make a dish towel. This will be a skinnier dish towel, but it will be a dish towel. So this is the remnants from the tile that I cut my material for my dishcloths out of. I'm just going to serger edges, the raw edges, and maybe put a monogram at the end. And voila, I just saved myself a few bucks and a trip to the store. Now that my washcloths and towel is finished, I serger edge on each, on all the sides that needs it. I'm going to put a little embroidery on it. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. How about a little heart or something? Pink heart. Just a simple heart. And the pink thread is already in here. I just need to put the material inside the apparatus. If I can get it in there correctly. And this is a little thick, so Let me loosen this up a little bit more. Let me loosen it up. Here we go. So I'm just doing a plain heart, set, size. I want it as small as I can get. Okay. And I want it in the bottom right hand corner. Looks like it's going to be big. Size. $68, $70. Oh, 100. Okay, now I need to thread the needle. Come in here. Now the needle is threaded. I normally check the bobbin, but I'm gonna have faith and assume it's already threaded right. So I'm not gonna push start. And here we go. There you go. I think it's going to be a little bit bigger than what I thought. We'll see when it's finished. It's going to take 3 minutes. It's coming in nicely. Actually, this is better in the middle than in the corner. And I think this is the smallest size this embroidery pattern gets. I have to play with my machine a little bit. Almost finished. Okay, it's finished. Cut the thread. And okay. Back. Embroidery. Okay. And this is how it looks. The next one, I think I'm going to put my initials, and on the tile, I think I'm going to put some kind of a picture on it. Let me see what letters. Ooh, I like the cursive. No, I don't like that one. initials. It usually says, I can usually pick from small, medium, large size. Now I'm going with this because I don't know why the other one wouldn't let me select my size. I'm going with small initials. See, it's a size I want, small. Now, oh, go back, edit, nope. I was able to move this and size it to my liking. So I just put my initials on there in small letters. So we're going to see how it goes. Edit in. Put that down and bring it. Okay, so let me see. I think I put that too small. Cut the thread. And let's see. Oh yeah. You can't even see it.